So yesterday we have left the discussion till the tolerance groups. Okay, I have just told. Okay, tolerance group for posting in the EWM. Second is the tolerance group for the recounting, and tolerance group for difference analyzer. Okay, why we will going to provide the tolerance group? Whenever we are doing some activity, if the activity goes above the threshold value, then the tolerance group will going to trigger and it will going to shows this is the error, something like that. Okay, but here posting, whenever you are do the posting, no, that time the recounting will going to trigger automatically. Okay, so that is how we will going to use the tolerance group. Okay, we have to provide these things. For the posting, we will going to provide this much tolerance. For recounting, this much is the tolerance group, like that we have to provide. Okay, so I will just go to the system. Okay, where we will going to do the tolerance to. Okay, so first thing, I will just go to the node SPRO IMG CMEWM extended warehouse management. Here internal warehouse processes, under that physical inventory. Okay, in the physical inventory, we have seen yesterday what are the different physical inventory area specific settings. Okay, all the things we have done, and we were seeing at the warehouse number specific settings. Okay, once you go inside this, okay, we were defining the tolerance group now. Okay, so here define tolerance group is there. Okay, so just go into this. Okay, here these are the three different tolerance groups what we are having. Okay, so first you go and do it for the difference analyzer. Okay, it is not an issue. Okay, however you do, just do it like that. Okay, so nothing is there for the 1100. What I'll do, I'll take inventories. My warehouse is 1100. Okay, I will going to provide my tolerance group. Okay, let us give TG01 is a tolerance group for me. Okay, TG01. Okay, you can do any number of tolerance group. Okay, that is not an issue. Okay, value based tolerance is there. Value based tolerance means I will going to provide the value. Based on this, it will going to take the what is that trigger. Okay, it will going to trigger. I will say $100. Let us consider the currency is there. Okay, $100. I'm telling. Okay, so here no tolerance is one thing is there. Okay, means I'm not going to give any tolerance. Okay, I'm just giving the group. We have to define the group. Okay, this is must. Okay, we have to define the group because we have to assign our users to the group. So if I am giving some TG02 and giving a no tolerance, okay, it will not going to provide any tolerance. Okay, we can just take that and we can move like that. And here
wait tolerance itself is not required, right? If no tolerance checkbox is there, then there is no use of creating this tolerance.
No. Right? We have, that is what I said. We have to assign this to the user, I said. Okay, we have to create it. Okay, so because I say no, like we will going to provide. Let us consider one person is there who joined very recently. For him, we have to provide some what is that tolerance for him. Correct? No, like some expert is there. For him, some different tolerance will be there. Like that, we will going to provide it over here. Okay, no. And here, wait time is one more thing. Okay. Here, what is this wait time? Okay, let us consider what is this difference analyzer is. Yeah, tell me, can anybody tell me? Yesterday I have told about this difference analyzer. What is this difference analyzer? Very important, this one. Okay, in the physical inventory, they are going to ask the process means you don't tell all this process. Okay, you just tell about the what is physical inventory. Okay, later on I can, or else, okay, what is physical inventory, and then tell them what are the different levels the physical inventory is going to happen. What are the different levels at which physical inventory going to happen?
On plant level and warehouse level.
No.
Bins and
yeah.
Bins level and material
product level. Okay. Bin specific and product specific. Okay. And explain them what is the bin specific and what is the product specific. Okay, after that you have to discuss about the what are the different types of inventories are there. Okay, you have seen the annual, that is periodic, ad hoc, that is continuous, and cycle accounting. Okay, only three are there. Then you have to tell about the what is that tolerance groups. Okay, so these are the tolerance groups will be available. Okay, they will going to assign to the user. That is how the tolerances will going to take place for the recounting, difference analyzer, and the posting. Okay, so they may ask, okay, what is the difference analyzer? Okay, difference analyzer is the tool to post the differences of the means whatever the quantity to the ERP from the EWM. Getting the concept? If the difference is there, like let us consider in ERP the stocks are 100, but in EWM you found that 110 stocks are available. Okay, when you will going to run the difference analyzer, it is a tool. Okay, once you are going to run the difference analyzer in the ERP, automatically 110 stocks will going to become, it will going to become 110 stock. Got it?
Okay. Okay, that means these tool are comparing in EWM and ERP stock.
Yes.
Okay.
Not
and,
comparing, it will
physical-
going to put the EWM
difference
numbers into the ERP.
calculating. But in physical inventory, we are comparing with the system stock and physical stock.
No. Same thing. Okay. Physical inventory is the same thing. Okay. But whatever the stocks you are having in the warehouse, no, that should match in the ERP actually all the time. Okay. So let us consider actually physically you are seeing some 100 stock. In ERP also some 100 stocks is there. In EWM the stocks at all it is not at all there. You cannot run the difference analyzer this time because in the EWM it is showing the 0. Correct? Yeah. Okay, I will just depict it to the Excel. See, ERP is there, EWM is there. Okay, physical stock. Okay, physically you have the 100 stock. Okay, in ERP it is showing 100 stock. Why we will going to run the difference analyzer? Whenever there is a difference in the stocks in ERP and EWM, once you are going to run the difference analyzer, it will going to match this both the things. It will going to take the value from the EWM and put it to for the ERP. That is how it will going to happen. Okay, got it?
Okay. Yeah. So it is possible now. Like physical stock and ERP stock also vary. Physically we have 100 stock, and in ERP we have 90 stock. This is also possible.
Physically we have a 100 stock and ERP we have a 90 stock. Okay, next in the EWM how many?
Yeah, 0. Like, is that also possible?
Anything is possible here.
No. So we are comparing only ERP to EWM. Correct? In difference analyzer.
Yes.
And in physical inventory, we are considering like system stock and EWM stock.
Correct?
That is the physical inventory.
Correct.
So why here we are comparing this physical and ERP and EWM?
Okay, it is not about the comparison. Okay, I am not comparing here. I am just posting whatever the stock is there in the ERP to the EWM to the ERP through the difference analyzer. See, where you will going to count the materials, tell me. Whether you are counting the materials at the storage location level, or whether you are counting the material at the product or the bin level.
Correct. EWM level.
EWM means the bin and product will going to appear here. Okay.
Level, yes.
So we shouldn't take the concept of ERP. Don't forget this a little bit. Okay. But the stocks also should match to the EWM to the ERP. Am I right? Here some stocks are there. Here some stocks are there. It will not going to work.
So the total stock has to match, but it has to match along with the bin.
Exactly.
And
what we are doing, no, we are doing the physical inventory comparison with the EWM stocks only. Let us consider like that.
Sri, I have some confusion. Like
I'll clear your confusion. Okay, just physical inventory is there, EWM is there. First, you are doing the comparison between these two. Okay, let us consider now. You are finding, okay, this is the situation now. This is the situation. In the physical inventory, we can see 100 stock. Once I go and check it in the bin. In EWM, nothing is there, okay? Or else, let us consider some 10 stocks are there, okay? Or nothing is there. Anything is possible, okay? Nothing is there. In this case, you will going to load the material in the ERP. Sorry, EWM. You will going to load that because you have to match this number, right? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, just you are understanding this. Tell me, or else later on you can ask me the questions, okay?
Okay.
So now we have to match this, okay? Physically, whatever it is there, it should show in the EWM now. I will going to load the stock to 100. It will not going to affect the ERP until and unless I'm going to run the difference analyzer.
Okay. Understood.
Okay, I will going to load the stocks. Okay, I will going to load it, but whether the stock is updated to ERP, no. We have to run the difference analyzer, then only it will going to run. It will going to make, okay, 90 instead of 100 here. Okay, this 90 is then it will going to become 100 now. Got it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so 10 stocks, only 10 stock will going to give the accounting hits. Any doubts now?
No. Yeah, and just what I am previously I am supposing that we are doing the PO in the ERP side. Okay.
PO, okay.
Till that I am not getting any stock in the our storage location. Okay. Once we are creating the inbound, then we have to do all the scenario in the EWM side, like goods issue and goods receipt. Okay. So once we are getting the stock in the EWM, then we are getting in the ERP also.
Exactly.
So how we are getting, first of all, in the ERP side, then this is moved to EWM side. This is not possible, na? Only once we are getting in the EWM side, then we have to receive in ERP also. Correct? Yeah. So in EWM side also, what you said now, just now, EWM side we are uploading the stock, then we are running the difference analyzer, yes. Then it move in ERP side. Correct? Oh, okay.
Okay, in another case, here 100 stocks are there. Here also 100 stocks are there. Okay. Here 0 is there. What we will going to do this time?
0 is there. So how it is possible? Like ERP we have 100 stock.
कैसे भी मतलब EWM पे अपडेट नहीं हुआ है. Let us consider like that.
अच्छा.
बहुत बार होता है यार. This will going to happen lot many times. Okay. So in this case, okay, let us consider. You are just uploading the stocks in EWM. That's it. Okay. There is no concept of difference analyzer because 100 is there here. Why you all going to do the difference analyzer here? Correct, no?
Okay, that means इसने direct वो 551 61 से upload किया है ERP में.
हाँ. No, EWM में. हाँ, maybe. हाँ, ये ERP में 561 यूज किया तभी वो ट्रिगर होता है भाई. इनबाउंड
यहाँ पे आ गया. हाँ, और EWM में नहीं है.
नहीं 561 में आपने डाल के ट्रिगर किया तभी इनबाउंड डिलीवरी जनरेट होता है उधर. Okay, we have to put the stocks in the EWM. That time also it will going to happen, but sometimes okay, the stocks will going to miss. आपको ना जैसे ही आप प्रोजेक्ट में जाते हो, these errors will going to get late many times. That is for sure.
बट यहाँ पे इसकी हमने शायद वो इनबाउंड ऐसे ही रखा होगा, पोस्ट नहीं किया होगा. वो भी हो सकता है.
हाँ, वो भी हो सकता है. बहुत कुछ हो सकता है.
पोस्ट नहीं करेंगे तब तक तो हमारा वो गुड्स इशू भी नहीं हुआ है ना. That means ERP में स्टॉक आया कैसे? ये एरर कैसे आता है?
एक बार ना भाई क्यू में स्टक हो जाता है. क्यू में. Okay, so one transaction is there.
SMQ2.
No, not SMQ2. Oh, that is Q.
Difference.
Okay. हाँ,
difference के लिए. Difference का है ना.
/n/SCWM/ERP_stock check. Okay, this is one. What is that transaction in which you can able to analyze how many stocks are there in the ERP and how many are there in the EWM. Okay, so within this only I'll just see here all these things you can able to give or else all these things you can able to remove. Okay, मेरे को पूरा प्रोसेसिंग चाहिए, डिस्प्ले डिफरेंसेस ओनली वो चाहिए, नहीं तो चेक फुल जीआर सेंटर। ओके, ये भी चाहिए। कंसिडर क्यूज इन और द आइडिया, क्यू में कोई स्टक हुआ तो उसको भी चेक करो। कैलकुलेट क्वांटिटी इन क्यूज, ओके, क्यू में जो भी क्वांटिटी है उसको भी कैलकुलेट करो, ऐसा बोल के मैं दे रहा हूँ। ठीक है, आई विल जस्ट से एग्जीक्यूट। okay, whatever the products are there, it will going to give for everything. See, मेरा पे उतना नहीं है, I'll just go back. See, I'll going to remove one by one. Now differences only बोला तो कुछ differences रहा तो वो दिखा देगा अभी। For the entire warehouse, it will going to search. See here, this is the product. Okay, here I have 742, but here 702 is there. Difference is there, no 40 stocks. And here MAT 10 है, here 12 stock EWM पे, ERP पे 0 है। Okay, so what is the error? Just check the error.
और उसकी इसका एमएम की साइड का प्रोसेस का कुछ भी ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट ये नहीं है, अपना अलग है ना, परचेस ऑर्डर गुड्स रिसीव्ड।
हाँ, हमारा दूसरा है।
अपना अलग कैसे वो वही से बन के आ रहा है।
अजय, वो नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ईडब्ल्यूएम का पीओ है वो अलग रहता है और वो अलग है ना कुछ।
बस उसमें स्टोरेज लोकेशन का डिफरेंस है और कुछ भी नहीं है।
हाँ नहीं, लेकिन दोनों प्रोसेस होना है तभी वो एमएम की साइड पे गुड्स रिसीव्ड वगैरह सब कुछ हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे एक डब्ल्यूएम का परचेस ऑर्डर अलग बनता है क्या, वो पूछ रहा हूँ।
हम वेयरहाउस मैनेज स्टोरेज लोकेशन है ना जय, so warehouse managed storage location है तो only for that the value is getting calculated over here and it is comparing with ERP. But when we are checking for inventory managed storage location, वहां से वहां का कहानी वहां पर ही खत्म हो जाता है। वहां से कहीं जा नहीं रहा, वहां से हम कुछ ले नहीं रहे, खत्म खलास।
See, all these things I have done in front of you only, but still some errors are there. Can you see this, right? So somewhere else we have missed something, somewhere else the trigger is not happened. In that case, it will going to show these things. Got it? So if you are just saving means it will going to correct the stock in the ERP system. Okay, in the ERP system it will going to correct the stock automatically. Let us take MAT 10 is there, no? I will just go back and I will take 1100 MAT 10. Actually, you never ever should give this transaction to the user. Never ever. Okay, this is only for the consultants. Only they have to do it. Okay, so I will just say save means I am correcting the stocks. Correcting the stocks from the ERP to EWM. See, some error is there. M7 posting only possible. Okay, ये तो मेरा हट गया है अभी. Okay, it might be very long back I have done this, so now it is only telling about the posting only possible. So or else ये अभी हमारा ये है ना क्या है 5 6 है ना, इसीलिए मैं अभी भी किया होगा इसको, पोस्टिंग डेट चेंज नहीं किया होगा। ओके, वो भी हो सकता है। ओके, वी कैन चेक दैट।
श्री एक बार एक्सेल शीट पे जाओ ना,
ये 1 मिनट एमएम आरवी में चेक करके देखते हैं 1100 कंपनी कोड को। सी अभी तक 4 ही है, 5 करना पड़ेगा ना इसको। सो व्हाट विल डू,
बोल रहा है लेकिन वहां पे 7 बोला है ना, M7
नहीं एक मिनट पोस्ट नहीं ये छोड़ दो भाई, वो एरर कहाँ गया, वो एरर तो साला इससे रन करना पड़ेगा। एडजस्टमेंट कैरिड आउट बोल रहा है। ओके, एक मिनट एमएम टीवी पे चेक करते हैं। ओके, 1100 05 2023 एग्जीक्यूट। ओके, ये हो गया। अभी मैं क्या करता हूँ,
क्यों रिफ्रेश करेंगे तो
हाँ क्यों रिफ्रेश करना पड़ेगा मेरे को। यस, यू आर राइट। SM Q2 वो क्यूब देखा भी नहीं हमने, oh, that is the problem होते हैं। okay, we can do that। okay, select all ऐसा करके reset status करके function not function. Okay. Select all and double click on some anyone. Double click on anyone. Okay, it will going to trigger everything. Okay, and इधर जाके मेरे को रिफ्रेश करना पड़ेगा, बट यहाँ सेलेक्ट ऑल ऑप्शन नहीं है. That is the problem. उसको देख के आ गया तो ठीक था. Okay, else I'll just refresh it. Okay, थोड़ा क्यूज हट जाता है रिफ्रेश किया तो भी. Okay, we'll just check now. Okay, I will just go back and with the same material we'll going to come inside. Okay, अभी भी है, अभी भी एडजस्ट नहीं हुआ है. Let us check this. No valid. Okay, so I will just take this. हाँ, okay. ये कौन सा क्यों है दिखाता नहीं है.
सीरियल नंबर
ओ सीरियल, अरे सीरियल नंबर से मैं ट्राई किया था, छोड़ो इसको. मैं
वो 053 निकल गया, 175 आ गया वहाँ पे.
नहीं, वो ठीक है. ये सीरियल नंबर के लिए ट्राई किया था मैं. अभी ये सीरियल नंबर का बहुत बड़ा इशू है भाई, ठीक है ना. ये 10 को दूसरा सीरियल नंबर ट्राई करके 30 को ठीक से हो रहा है. ओके, so that serial number is showing in the system. Okay, so we'll discuss about the serial numbers if time permits. Okay,
सर अभी एक्सेल शीट पे जाओ ना एक बार.
हाँ, कहाँ?
एक्सेल शीट.
Okay,
हाँ, मैं ये बोल रहा था कि अपना एमएम का परचेस ऑर्डर रहता है ना, उसका गुड्स रिसिप्ट स्टोरेज लोकेशन के अंडर ये डब्ल्यूएम है, ईडब्ल्यूएम है, वो ठीक है. लेकिन अपना ईडब्ल्यूएम का प्रोसेस इनबाउंड से स्टार्ट होता है तो अलग से है या उसी परचेस ऑर्डर से होता है?
उसी परचेस ऑर्डर से कर रहे हैं ना भाई. रेफरेंस तो ले रहे हैं.
यहाँ पे गुड्स इश्यू है, वहाँ पे रिसिप्ट.
नहीं भाई, एक मिनट का
नहीं ना, आपके ईडब्ल्यूएम पे आप गुड्स इशू जो भी करेंगे इनबाउंड डिलीवरी रख के करेंगे, राइट?
ये मैं आपको अच्छे से क्लियर कर दूंगा ये वाला कांसेप्ट, ठीक है.
नहीं, डाउट है, ये भी लग रहा है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि गलत तो होना चाहिए अपना.
नहीं, आपको इधर तो बहुत बार किया ना भाई हमने, इधर आके
बहुत बार किया है, वही है.
इधर देखो, मैं कोई
आपको डाउट आया कैसे? स्टार्टिंग से क्लास कर रहे हो आप?
नहीं है, लेकिन डाउट है तो क्लियर करना है, छोटा भी रहे.
ठीक है,
ओके, जो भी आप ले रहे हो इधर इनबाउंड डिलीवरी, ओके, उसको रेफरेंस हमने देख रहा था इधर. ओके, व्हाट आर द रेफरेंस डॉक्यूमेंट्स हियर? ओके, परचेज ऑर्डर इज द रेफरेंस डॉक्यूमेंट. ये परचेज ऑर्डर के बिना कैसे जनरेट होता है फिर?
नहीं, मैं उसको कैसे समझा कि अपना गुड्स रिसीप्ट वाला परचेस ऑर्डर का पूरा सिनेरियो अलग से हो रहा है और यहाँ पे ईडब्ल्यूएम का अलग से हो रहा है.
How will we doing the goods receipt? See, here we are clicking on the goods receipt. We cannot do anything in the ERP after it once it is moved to the EWM.
हाँ, समझ गया अभी. क्लियर है.
Okay, then we'll move forward. Okay, so this is how the difference analyzer is going to work. Okay, so yeah, we were doing for the difference analyzer. Okay, so here wait time means what? So whatever the differences are there, okay, differences are there. Sometimes some person will going to perform. Okay, let us consider physically. Sorry, in the system it is showing that 100 stocks are there. Okay, like in ERP. And EWM, some 90 stocks are there, and I am posting the difference analyzer. I'll going to give wait time for some 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, anything. Okay, it will come in the minutes. Okay, you can give any wait time here. Once you provide the wait time, that time, if you find, okay, another 10 products somewhere else, that time you can able to post it again. Until that, okay, until the time finishes, it will not going to post that. Got it? Got the idea?
Until that wait time, it is not.
It will not means you have posted the difference analyzer, but it is not posted until this time. Only after the completion of the time, only it will post. But by that time, if you are finding that the 10 stocks, no, you can able to put it in the system and run it again. That is how. Okay, that is why they're going to provide the wait time, or else not required. Okay, I'll just get 1100 TG02 for this. I'm going to give no tolerance.
Is it mandatory to give that wait time or not?
No, not mandatory. Okay, just save this. Okay, I have given the Hey, 1 minute. I have made the wrong thing. I have not given the no tolerance here. Okay. Here I am going to pick no tolerance. Save it. Okay. So I have defined the difference means the tolerance group for the difference analyzer. Just like that, I'm going to define the tolerance group for the posting differences. Okay. I will just go new entries, 1100. Here also I'll take DC01 and the allowed percentage. Okay. I will going to give some 10% for a particular person. Okay. Here no tolerance is there. Pick. And value based tolerance is there. Okay, if you are not giving any value, that is fine. Currency and all, it is going to take automatically. Again, no tolerance is there. Okay, if we are clicking on the no tolerance here, it is a no value based tolerance check. Here, no quantity based tolerance check. Okay, anything you can able to provide here. Okay, but I'm not going to provide these things. Okay, and you can have the alert also. Okay, alert also here. Okay, if any changes are there, you can have the alert also. And I'll going to give the for the second one 1100 PG02. I'm going to provide no tolerance for both the things. Okay, value based भी नहीं है, quantity based भी नहीं है, ऐसा करके दे रहा है. Okay, I'll just save this. Go back. Okay, and do the tolerance group for the recounting. Okay, for this recounting also the same thing we have to provide here. Okay, so just say new entries 1100. Tolerance group is TG01 and allowed percentage. Okay, I'm going to provide some 10% tolerance there. Okay, value based there to there. Okay, then the second one 1100 TG02. I'll say no tolerance for this and save it. Okay, we have defined the tolerance group now.
actually यहाँ पर दो tolerance है ना, no
हाँ,
tolerance group.
one is the value based and then there is the quantity based. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, just go back. So next is the reasons and priorities. Okay, here we have to provide the reasons. Okay, wherever means you also are going to define the reasons. No, whenever you are posting certain differences. Okay, here also we have to give the reasons. Okay, so first define priorities. Whatever it is that we're going to take. Okay, that is how we're going to do that. Okay, so for hours we don't have anything. Okay, just copy these things. Just create. Okay, these are the priorities like that. Okay, I'll just copy it and I'll give my 1100 here. Just save this. रीजन देते हैं ना हमने ये रीजन है इसीलिए हम पोस्ट कर रहे हैं करके. ओके, जस्ट लाइक दैट. Okay, this is the priority what I'm going to provide and different reasons for the physical inventory. Just go to this. Okay, so nothing is there again. Okay, you can copy all this 0001 and you can do yours. Okay, क्या है, साइकिल काउंटिंग है, लो स्टॉक चेक है, फिजिकल इन्वेंटरी, सभी आप कुछ भी दे सकते हो. ओके, सो we're going to provide the standard reasons only. We're not going to take ours. And you can create your own. Okay, nobody will going to restrict that. Okay, because so many companies are going to create their own and they're going to proceed for. But there are some standard reasons will be there. Okay, so it is better to go with them. That's it. If the reason, whatever the reason, if it is not available over here, then you have to give the your own reason you have to define and you have to proceed further. Okay, ये तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो इधर. ओके, रीजन कुछ भी डाल के चला जा सकते हो. ओके, एंड हियर नो for unplanned. Okay, we're going to get the product in LOC. Okay, 1 minute. And here also standard reason, define standard reason for each physical inventory procedure is there. If you just open this. Okay, here for 1100 nothing is there. Okay, you can just take these things only. Copy this 1100.
तो डिफाइन रीजन फॉर डिफरेंसेस करके और एक भी है, उसमें भी कुछ देखना है।
हाँ, दिस वन ना, ओके ओके, हाँ करेक्ट। अरे वो छूट गया देखो, ओके, इसको भी इधर भी नहीं किया ना, हाँ इसको भी करना है। जो भी रीजन है स्टैंडर्ड रीजन आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग, दैट्स इट, ओके, आई एम नॉट क्रिएटिंग माय ओन लाइक दैट। कस्टम क्लेम करेक्शन और सभी है, ओके। Okay, I'll just go back and that we have taken the reasons where priority we have taken. And second, we have reason physical inventory, different reasons they can be. Okay, yeah. Here, let us consider you are giving the reasons. Okay, we have defined our reasons, and priority also we have set it over here, medium, high, whatever the priority we have taken. No, the same things we are setting up here. What is this PIL? This is in product in location allowed. Okay. So if you want to avoid counting of some stocks, let us consider you don't want to count some stocks. Okay. System won't let you like that. Okay. You want to leave it means it will not going to let you. Okay. Because you have to do the physical inventory for everything. So in that case, you have to give the exception code. Okay, there also you will going to give the exception code. Then you can move without counting that product. Okay, so that is where we're going to get this PIL. Okay, so without that you can able to process further. Okay, getting the concept or not getting it? PIL means product in location allowed means. See, you are going to one bin. Okay, you are going to one bin. Yes.
You mean to say if some products we don't have to count, then we can use exception
Yes,
code, right?
correct. That's it. Yeah. Okay, that is it. So then next is the no automatic posting. So if you have clicked this one, so you will not going to get the automatic posting at all. Okay, so automatic posting means we have given the tolerance. Okay, if the tolerance is within this, okay, then we are doing the automatic posting. Okay, within the tolerance, within the threshold value, the counting is there. We will be posting the tolerance. So sorry, automatic posting will going to happen. But if you are clicking no automatic posting, then automatic posting will not going to take place if that is the reason, something like that. Okay, then here if you are activating this or not, okay, that will going to matter here. Okay, so which things you are activating, which are the different things you are not activating like that. And here, what is this one? We will check. Okay, so entry catch. Okay, weight quantity not allowed. Okay, so here catch weight quantity. Okay, so do you know about the catch weight quantity? What the catch weight quantity will going to refers to?
So if there are any differences, see for example, we are having different kind of products. If cocoa is there, or if cake is there, if beans is there. Okay. So when we are receiving the material, it will come in one weight. After some time, the weight may reduce.
Yes.
For some product.
Correct.
So over there, we are going to use this catch weight management system.
See, in most of the milk, what is that industry? Like just taking one example, let us consider for product-based industry also. So how they are going to put the chips within that? Later on, how they will going to manage the catch weight? So at least, okay, if they are putting certain means they're not going to count. Okay, so this many chips only I have to put in the packet. That is based upon the tolerance group they have provided for that. Okay, in the food industry, if the weight of that one particular packet, I'm telling, if it is between this and this, then the catch weight is there like that. We're going to consider. Okay, no? Getting the idea? Even for the milk also the same thing. Okay, packet milk will be coming. They will not going to know. Okay, how many like they will be having the proper what is that setup for that. Okay, so they will going to put that, but still sometimes if it is missing, that will going to what is that you will not going to take that particular packet which is not having the particular catch weight. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is how we'll take this physical inventory as well. Okay. So if you are not considering this catch weight, then you have to click on the. क्या हुआ? चला गया मेरे ख्याल से. No,
657 है भाई.
Okay, okay. वर्क हो रहा है कि नहीं? हाँ, वर्क हो रहा है. It will take some time. Okay, now we're going to process this.
आजकल अजय के बैकग्राउंड नॉइस, वो बर्ड्स का नॉइस कुछ नहीं आ रहा है. क्या हुआ अजय? व्हाट हैपेंड टू योर बर्ड्स?
नहीं, मैं रूम में बैठ रहा हूँ आजकल. हॉल में क्या हुआ है ना बर्ड्स.
Oh, birds पाले हो क्या?
ब्लॉग का भी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. यहाँ पे आता था वो.
Okay. Just save this. Go back. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll just process the physical inventory. Okay, I'll just say /n. This is the settings, whatever we have done till now. Okay, where we have to go to the easy access. Okay, logistics, SCM, EWM, exchange warehouse management. We are physical inventory, we have to go. This is the one. Under that, these many things are there. Okay, one is the create physical inventory document is there. Okay, so once I'm going to click on the create a physical inventory document, so just go here. Okay, we will going to create the physical inventory document here. Okay, so how we will going to create the physical inventory document? So here, 1 minute. First I have to give the default values here. See, my physical inventory, this is the warehouse. Physical inventory procedure I have to give. Okay, what is the physical inventory procedure we have chosen? Okay, that one I will just
TS.
No, HS something like that we have taken.
Yes.
HS SL like that we have taken. No, so let us take like HS I am taking. Ad hoc physical inventory we are doing. Correct. Well, let us consider with the product specific. Bin specific everyone can do, but product specific if you are doing, no, everything you can able to consider. Okay, you can able to consider. So I'll just give this. Okay, block indicator, freezing indicator, you already know about this. Okay, no need to explain that. So this is one proposed indicator is there. So I'll just use this. Okay, a proposed indicator for physical inventory, and I will not going to use the freeze and block. These are must. Okay, blocking and freezing you should do, but if you want to do it or else leave. Okay, just take this. Okay, now what we have to do is, okay, just in the find, just take the product. Okay, let us consider I am taking 1100 mat 1. Okay, execute. This will be there many stages it will be available. See, these many documents are there for physical inventory. Means in these many bins the material is available like that. You are doing the stocks are there, sorry, yeah, in these many bins stocks are there. Okay, that is what material. So here you can able to process with the bin level also or else material level also. Both things are possible in this case. But if you have chosen the bin, no, only bin level is possible. Getting the concept? Because for the material, every material, this material wherever it is available, it came. For this material, I can able to choose certain bins. I will going to maintain only for those particular bins. You can able to do that. But as of now, what I will do? Let us take 1 or 2 line items, and we'll going to what is that?
You selected material level, that's why that the bins are some different bin where it is material is available. That's selected.
Yes, all
and
the
if you are selecting bin level, then only that systematic way of bin is coming, and we'll see how many materials are there.
Yes, correct. Okay. Now I'll going to select everything. Okay, yeah, select.
So do
yes.
we also get all the empty bins also, or we will not get empty bins over here? Only available existing bins.
Available only it will going to show. Why empty bins will going to show here?
No, if they okay in physical inventory they are not going to look on the empty bins. Okay, fine, got it.
Okay, I'll just select all. Okay, I just want to do it on the select all, control and select this. Okay, I just want to do it on the this one ST010101 है ना, ये bin पे करना चाहता हूँ. Okay, only I'm doing to do the physical inventory over here. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just delete everything. Remaining जो delete कर रहा हूँ बस. Okay, I'll just save this. Okay, just save this. That's it. This is how I'll be creating the physical inventory document. One document is got generated with our number. Okay, 80,000 is the document number. Okay, just go back. That is how I have created the creation of the physical inventory document. I have created. Now we have to process it, right? So go to the process physical inventory document. Okay, give your number here. Your number is 8,000. So if you are not giving also, that is fine, because only one is there. No, just execute it. That number will going to come here. Okay, only one is there. That is why I'm not giving that number. Okay, see, enter physical inventory here under settings, default values. Okay, we have to give the default values first. That is the must. Okay, so here 2023, I'm going to enter. Just click enter. Okay, so here we got the what is that for processing? I got the value here. Okay, so just take this. Okay, we have the count button. Okay, we have the count button here. Okay, so for this physical inventory I want to count. Okay, how many materials are there, like that. If I click on the count, it will going to ask which is the user who is counting it. I have to provide my username only. Okay, yes, Shallar is counting. Okay, he is counting. Count a date. Okay, today's date I'm going to put it here. Okay, time and all, if you want to put, you put it, or it's not necessary. Today's date I'll put. I'll say okay. See, count date that was entered line future. Oh, what is that? Today 6 only. No? Sorry, this is a German date. No, sorry. 1 minute. Correct. That is incorrect only. I have to give 5. In our case, it is 6, but German it is 5 only now. Okay, just give enter. Okay, see, the downside will going to get the where you are counting. This in this bin you are counting, right? So what I'll do, I'll just take the form view here. I'll show that. If it is coming like this, okay, if it is coming like this, you don't know what is the material is there. Okay, how much material is there within this bin? You don't know. There is no reference of the material bin. Getting the idea? And party entitled, dispose and all it is showing. Okay, yesterday we have taken this. You remember? Okay. Yes. And this is the material and this is the bin. But in this bin, how many materials is there? I'm not seeing it here. Okay, 1 minute. We're going to check out.
यहाँ पहले एक्टिवेट करने का सब कुछ नहीं है स्ट्रिप पे, because we have activate, count, delete and post, right?
ये कैसे ऊपर करने का भाई, ये बहुत हेक्टिक है.
ये साइड में
हाँ, छोड़. Okay, so we were, I will just, okay, so here I have the second tab. This is for what? Okay, this is for physical inventory and this is for what? Okay, इसको मैं हटा के monitor पे ले लेता हूँ. Okay, and go to the monitor /n/scwm/mon. Okay, SAP करता हूँ and just execute. Here go to the bin, stock and storage bin, physical stock. Okay, in this ST01 is the storage type and bin ST01010101. Okay, product, what is the product? mat1. Okay, just execute. How many materials are there? Just check it. See, we have the count quantity, 4 quantity. Am I right? But ये दिखाया नहीं रहा है इधर. Here I am not seeing this. Correct? Dinesh, you have asked something. Sorry. That is,
we have that activate, count, delete,
Yeah,
and post.
exactly.
So we are not going to activate that or something.
this one.
Yeah.
No, not activation is not required. Okay, so if it is a like while doing some error, no, then it will going to deactivate. That time it will going to activate it. Okay, so as of now, we'll just count it. Okay, I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, so and one thing we will going to see it at this particular point. Okay, here L is there. Another thing we're going to see H. Okay, one L means storage bin. Okay, the material is in storage bin. H means the material is in handling unit. Like that, it will going to show. Okay, here if you are checking, there is no HU here for you. Correct, no? So material is in storage bin. So this one you are counting it now. So here the display is not available where you can able to give the display. Okay, we have the setting somewhere else. Okay, so where we can give the display? Any idea?
In starting,
Yeah,
we have yes,
STRO.
checkbox is there.
So many checkbox were there. No, there
Forgot
we
that
have to go.
steps.
Okay, SCWM, EWM. Here internal warehouse. Okay, go to the physical inventory and physical inventory area specific settings you have to go.
Yes.
Okay, define inventory physical. Okay, this one you have to go. 1100. This one I'll take and I will go here. See, display quantity is there. Okay, so if you are clicking on this display quantity, no, then you can able to see the quantity. Okay, so just save this, save it, leave it like this only, not an issue, and go back to the physical inventory. Go back, don't do anything. Okay, don't save or don't do anything. So again come inside process physical inventory document and just execute. Say yes. Okay, this came. I'll say count, give the counter name and give the date. Okay, downside we're going to get it and just go to the form view. You can see here the count is 4. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, it is showing the what is that? What is that? The number. Okay, how much number it is there?
Exact quantity.
Quantity it is showing there. Okay, this much you should count like that. It is showing. But if you have provided to the user, no, he will try to satisfy this quantity. Okay, that shouldn't happen. That is why most of the time they are not going to provide this particular thing to the users. Okay, the display quantity they are not going to provide. Okay. Now I will say, okay, instead of 4, no, I'll say I have 5 quantities actually. Okay, but when I am counting, no, I am finding 5 quantities. Let us consider like that. Getting it? Hello?
Yes, yes. Increasing
Physically,
quantity, yes.
I am seeing 5. I am increasing the quantity. Okay.
Yes.
Or else consider I am seeing only 3 quantities. Anything, okay. I'm just changing the quantity. Okay. And I will say here, okay, just save it now. Okay, just save it now. We're going to get the warning message. What is the warning message? Okay, just say yes. See, counter item, counter quantity entered is outside the tolerance. It is counted like that. It is showing. Okay, so just say okay for this. So it is counted now. Okay, counted is there, but tolerance it is outside the tolerance. Why? If you are, I have given only 10 tolerance, correct? No, 10%.
10%. Yes.
But here 25% it is changed because 4 is there and one material I am changing means 25% it is changed. Still it is counted. Okay, counting will going to happen. Counted, it is counting is done. Now if you are clicking on the post now, I'll just click on the post now. Sorry, what did happen? Okay, then save it, post and save it. Warning message there, just say yes. Document cannot be posted due to the exceed tolerance. See here, exceed tolerance is there, so that is why it cannot be able to post. Okay, so what we can do in this case, what I will do, I'll just go back. Okay, I'll just go back. Here we have one setting. Okay, just go to the setting here. Okay, in the easy access only, go to the physical inventory. We have to provide the tolerances now. See here, assign user to tolerance group for the recounting or clearing. Assign users to tolerance group for difference analyzer. Both things are there here. Okay, first you go to the recounting or clearing. You just have to do this. Okay, here I have not assigned the users. So what I'll do, I'll say edit, new entries. I'll take the user here. Okay, what is the user? Yes, Shaldar. Okay, here activity area you have to put because you are counting it in the ST01. Okay, and the tolerance group I'll just get PG 02 now because no tolerance is there. Correct? No for this.
Right.
I'm giving this one now. Let us consider. Okay, just save this. Save this. Go back. Go back. Just go to the process. Execute this. Say yes. See, for this, it is counted. Now I want to post it. Okay, post it. It may see it is posted difference. It is post difference is there. I'll just save this. Action. Just check. I'm saving it. Posted. Got it? I am giving now. No tolerance now. Any doubts here? Okay, so this is how, like, if you want to do the tolerance, see that tolerance is there, it is not posted. So it gave the error. Okay, by tolerance limit ke bahar hai, so I am not going to post like that. So that time again, somebody expert will going to come and count, then he'll try to post it. Okay, it is restricted. Correct, no? Got the idea or not?
टॉलरेंस आपने कितना परसेंट 10% दिया था
10%
और
इधर
हाँ,
25%
ये
हो जाएगा।
क्वांटिटी मैंने एक ही इंक्रीज किया तो
एक
one
डिक्रीज किया
quantity
तो एक डिक्रीज किया
हाँ।
तो लेट अस कंसीडर
हाँ।
25% 100 हो जाता है 25 करके 100 हो जाता है। एक में डिक्रीज कर दिया तो 25% डिफरेंस कर दिया मैंने। करेक्ट ना? Getting it or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Huh? Once you have
Tolerance group
posted,
आपने 2 लिया, there is no tolerance. That's
Yes.
why it is posting.
हाँ.
Otherwise, if we are getting TZ01, then
हाँ.
it is not posting.
Then we have to change the tolerance limits over there. Okay.
Yes.
That we can do. We cannot do. We can do, but again उधर जाके count change करता है. इधर ही tolerance group भी दे दिया मैंने इसलिए. Okay. Just refresh this.
रिफ्रेश करेंगे तो
See,
3 हो जाएगा।
quantity 3 हो जाएगा. But okay. Okay. Anyway. Okay. I'll just take MMB. हाँ, here तो stock change नहीं हुआ है ना? MMB पे लेता हूँ. I'll just take mat 1 now. Sorry. Double 100 mat 1. Plant is 1100. Let us consider and just execute this. How many materials are there? Check it. Okay. Okay. In the AFS, basically 702 materials are there. How much it should become? 702 दिखा रहा है. How much it should become now? 701 no by.
One got reduced.
One got reduced. That's it. Okay. Or else in the total quantity 915 is there. 914 it should become. So I will go to the here. Go back now. We have to do the difference analyzer. See, counting it is everything happened. Difference analyzer we have to do now. So for the difference analyzer also go to the setting. Okay. Here difference analyzer. If you are just means anyway you already know. Okay. You already know that the tolerance group is what is that 0
PG02 has to be assigned to the user.
Okay, so if you are taking that, then it will not going to give the what is that it will also going to show the error only because the tolerance it is above means more than the tolerance limit or threshold value. So just give the user and the tolerance group PG02 I'm going to provide no tolerance like that. Just save this. Go back. Just execute this. Okay, difference analyzer. Just execute it. Okay, or else give the material, not material. Just execute. Let us see. Okay, choose at least one difference category. Okay, okay. So just go to the this one. Okay, here PI difference is there. Okay, in the difference analyzer, when we will go now, we will going to get the PI difference. Okay, and you will going to get the warehouse task difference. Okay, and like that you will be getting the so many different things here. Okay, this difference analyzer, we have to provide it. Okay, what is the material and what is that, and all these things you can able to give it here, or whatever the things. Okay, PI differences, let us consider like this. I'll just provide the material 1100 mat 1 I'll take. Okay, just execute this. Okay, it is coming down. Okay, for this I want to post the difference. Okay, just see the form. You see, we are number of items, one is there. Okay, difference is it to show where difference quantity it is showing here. See, one quantity it is saying the difference. Okay, priority high is there, correct? No, because the what is that difference analyzer, based upon that it has taken the priority. And here I want to post this. Okay, I want to post this quantity. Here also you can see what is the tolerance difference is there. Everything it is showing here. So tolerance is more, the priority wise it is going to take this. Now I want to post this. Okay, so I have just taken the product, and now I want to post this. Okay, so here is the post button. Okay, just click on it. Clear one difference of a product, F2. I'll say yes. Okay, it is clear. Okay, warehouse task is got created. Just go to the ERP system. Okay, here it should change. Then only we can say it is corrected. Okay, it is not corrected. Something had happened. Just go back. Come in. Mac only. Okay, we have cleared it. What we have done.
We have not yet posted, if I'm right. Whether the posting is done?
Oh, I have posted it. I have posted it. 7.2 only to showing. Posting is done now. Here, warehouse task is got generated 20115. Okay. Why do let's check this. Or else we'll take one more and we're going to do that. Not an issue. 1 minute. Where is that? Where is that? Okay. Yeah. Monitor /n/cwm/mon. Okay. I'll go to the documents. It is also gone. 20. What is that document? 20115, right? Okay. Warehouse task. 20115. Execute. Okay, this is the goods issue posting. It has happened here. See, if you check this, yeah, process category 6 and one. Yeah, see here, actual quantity 1. Okay, and goods issue is happened here. Why it is not taken to the ERP? Okay, let us do it once again. If it is not coming, then I am going to re-log in. Okay, because sometimes it is going to struck. So what I'll do, I'll just go back. I will go to the create physical inventory document now. Sorry, inventory document is there. I have posted that. Okay, let's create physical inventory document now. Material. Take the material. Execute this. I'll just select all. Deselect one. Delete, and I'm just taking for the this one only. Again, same thing. Okay, just save this. Okay, I have created the second one. Go back now and process. While processing, just do the number, execute. Okay, it is coming now. Just say count. Who is counting? Give that user and they select the date. And it will going to show the things over here. Instead of 3, I am going to count 10. Let us consider like that. Okay, that is fine. I'll just say save this. Action is counting, so it is counted. Now I'm going to post this and let's save this. That's it. It is posted. Okay. Now we have to do that. And once you're going to post now, if you are just refreshing it here, it will going to become 10. Okay. Then I have to go back and do the difference analyzer. See, 702 is there. It should change actually. Just take this material, execute. Material is there. Okay, see, minus 7 quantity difference is around 7 quantity is there. And here it will going to provide the what is the percentage and all. Okay. But here process difference, inspection, document difference, pending claim, process difference, physical inventory difference. We are taking these things. Okay, whatever, okay, anything it is there, it will coming. Okay, that is fine. So now we have to post it. That's it. Okay, posting is the only thing we have to do here. Nothing is there. Okay, let us take this. Okay, I'll just post this. Clear one differences. Solid product. Why does clear one differences? This is cancel. Okay. Let us give post only. Yes. Error task is created. Refresh it. 10 is there. We are going to refresh it. It is not that updating.
Whereas task is created, then confirm after that confirmation. Is that
confirmation? Yes, confirmation whether it is required. No, it is not required actually. Let us check that also. Okay. Yes, that is also there, no? Because whereas task is generated. Yeah, let us check that. This time, 7 it is created. Execute. No, it shouldn't be like this. Automatically, it will going to happen. Okay, let us see. If it is open, then we have to confirm it. See, it is confirmed only already.
confirmed only?
See, this is how sometimes we're going to get stuck. Okay, so now if we are going and checking in the stock check, ERP, what is that? Here I have given. Okay, 186 product. I'll just take execute. Okay, sorry, go back. See, now earlier it was showing only what is that 42. Now it is showing some 46 values. Why it is ERP? It is not updated. I don't know. ERP should update. Why ERP is not updating?
It is failing for some any queue failure reasons.
No,
or
no,
some other.
because the Veros task is completed. टास्क इज कंप्लीटेड। क्यू पे अटका है तो वो कुछ नंबर देना पड़ेगा हमको। ओके, एरर शुड बी देयर बट देयर इज नो एरर एट ऑल, राइट? इट इज पोस्टिंग बट I will just 1 minute. What I will do, I'll go to the menu, refresh, execute. Still it is the same thing. Okay, 1 minute. We'll just check. Okay, so how about the others? डिफरेंस एनालाइजर पोस्ट किया तो पोस्ट हो जाना चाहिए, बट क्लियर डिफरेंस ऐसा कुछ आ रहा है। आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट। ओके, लेट अस see for the change count. Okay, let us see this mat one I am going to take. Okay, execute. Okay, we will go to the one setting we have done now. Here one more setting is there, posting after recount. Okay, automatic posting after recount. Okay, if if it is within the tolerance limit, I'll say post automatically. Okay, like that I'm going to provide. Okay, so this one also you can check. Okay, so for okay, anyway, first we're going to check this. Okay, so these things are happening or not. Post after count is there, and what else is there? Post after count. Okay, so post after automatic count, we will going to tick this. Okay, we're going to check this. Okay, we're going to check this a scenario, and we're going to come back and we're going to check that also. What is the error and all? Okay, anyway, first I'll go over here and let us consider I'm taking some bins. Okay, 1 or 2, 3 bins I'm going to take it here, and I will delete everything, and I'll just create these many documents within a one particular this one. But just save this. Okay, I have created one document here. Okay, just go back, go to the process document. Okay, here I will going to give 80002 execute. So once I'm going to give 80002, everything is coming. So now the action is count. Okay, we have to count this for this action. Okay, just select this, go for the count. Okay, it will going to ask for the user and the time. Okay, so that time only it will going to provide this. Okay, so now the 10 materials are there. I'll just go here. Okay, whatever it is there, I'll just put the same quantity. Let us consider I'm going to put the same quantity, or else I'm going to vary the quantity 7 like that. Okay, and that is fine. See here, count quantity entered outside the tolerance, that is fine. Just see, I'll just say save. I'll just say save. It is posted, automatic posting I have ticked, and that it is means more than the tolerance limit, but what we for the user we have given the TG02. You remember, it is not taking the tolerance. Earlier I used to do the posting also. No, now I have said automatic posting should trigger. Correct? So it is posting automatically.
Means after counting, automatic
posting is happening now. Okay, so and now see, for this I'll again do this. Okay, I'll say count. Okay, I am giving some values. Okay, so first we have to do this thing. Go down. Okay, here I'll say 0 count, means the material shouldn't be there like that. Okay, no material is there like that. And this one also you can provide. If you are putting 0, no, it will not going to accept. See here, if I'm putting 0, it will not going to accept. See, nothing will going to take 0. It will not going to take. I'll say you have to say 0 count. Got it?
0 count.
Okay, then I'll say Save.
Save.
See, call item contains error parameter not specified. Okay. See, the count is there, but I am just counting it, but it is not taking. Call for the item parameters not correct. What is this error? It should take it actually. Zero count I am providing. Difference analyzer is okay. We'll just check this. What is the error? Parameters not transferred. And please do these things in your system, okay? It will going to work. But most of the time, this MD server, it got some issues, okay, very recently. That is why it is giving so much of trouble. And even the replenishment is not happening here, okay? So that one also I need to check. Yeah, and EWM. And I tried, okay, the call, okay, this is the one. How many HUs do you have in the physical unit document? I have entered the point of all the HUs in the physical unit document. Okay, let us, what I'll do, I'll just pick one quantity. Not here. Let us take one quantity instead of taking 0, whether it will going to all or not. Okay, I'll just instead of 0, I'll take 1, click enter. Okay, that is also fine. I'll say save. Yeah, again it is giving the same error. Something is there. Not transfer, or else let us give the 3 count only, so there is no change. I'll save. Still same error. Okay, just try for this count whether okay, it is activated, and now I'm going to use some 10 values or 9 values. Hit enter and try to save it. For this also same thing. Okay, what is this? Okay. Yeah. Execute. 10 materials are there. It is also showing us the 10 materials only, but why the error is coming here? It's not transferred correctly. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I'm doing the recounting, right? So we have entered, okay. Let me view this. Okay, I'll just go to the setting here. Where is the setting? Okay, here. Go back. No, I will just go to the setting. Not this one. Okay, go back. Recounting. Edit. Where are you going to go? Easy 01. If this is counting, then save this. Go back. Process. 002. Execute. Yeah, now it is coming. Okay. So some see some what is that? It is taking the H is also here. Okay, H is also coming. Okay, so that is why it was giving some errors earlier. So now we have to go here.
See, by
Yes.
one quick question.
Yes, yes.
We have serial numbers, batches, and apart from that, we have this option also, right?
What
So
option?
if no, I mean, in the material master, we have serial number also, right?
Correct.
If serial number match serial number materials, if we are doing this physical inventory, then we need to maintain serial numbers also? I mean, what would be the serial number if we are doing some count?
Yes.
If it is reduced.
You have to give that.
So if we are not aware of serial number, then we will not be able to post. We will not be able to exactly identify which serial number, how much quantity needs to be loaded. Am I right?
Correct.
So serial number is there, and HU, if HU is there, then we have to provide the HU.
Yes. भाई इधर देखो. Okay, क्या हो गया? Actually, we okay within this bin, no? Within this what is that? The second one I have taken, no? Which bin? 1 minute. I'll just go here and 1102. Okay, and just go to this 02. You take execute. Here HU is there, 2 materials are there. I am just entering 4. It will not going to be valid. Okay, I have to count 1, 1 and 1. Okay, like that. Okay, here I have entered 1. Here also I should count like 3. Let us consider here 2. Anything is possible. Okay, so it is okay. Just save it. Okay, now I am seeing within the HU I should count. Okay, so I am just saying count is happening like that, but we'll check. Okay, whether it is going to take it or not. Now it is taken and it is gone for the recounting. Why it is gone for the recounting? See, one more document got created for the recounting because I have said in the settings. Okay, I have gone for the settings now. In the settings, what I said, if TZ02 is counting, okay, sorry, TZ01 is counting, then it will going to first, it will count TZ01 is going to count. Means that particular group it will going to create. If that is creating, then it will going to trigger. Okay, whether it should do the recounting or not, it will going to trigger like that. I have given there. Okay, now it is recounting is triggered because we have entered the tolerance group more than the threshold value. Okay, or less than the threshold value. Let us consider like that. Less than the threshold value we have written, so that is why it is coming up. I'll say okay. So recounting, okay, we have to take a different number and we have to check. Okay, now also I'll going to count it again. This one. Okay, see, I have taken the automatic posting. That is why this one it will going to take the automatic recounting as well. Okay, here this is there. I'll just say count here. Okay, let us consider you are counting 8. Okay, if it is see, tolerance is not fitting it here, and I'll say save. Okay, I'll say save. See, again for this also recounting is got triggered 80003 and 80004. Okay, I'll say okay, posting will going to happen automatically. Okay, so first you just take 8003 and execute. Okay, it should be within the range. Okay, then only it will going to post, or else you need to change the things and you have to post it. Okay, so now what I'll do, I have to say count for this. Okay, so just say, so here if you go down, we'll be having the value 3. Okay, I'll just give 1 minute. I have to, okay, just remove this. Okay, here 3 differences things are there. Okay, I'll just select this, go to this and give whatever the value is there. 1 is there, just give this. Okay, and go now. Okay, again take this. Okay, I have to give the value here also. Here 3 is there, I'll just give 3. Okay, then I'll just
See, but it is
yes.
little bit confusing for me.
What is the confusion here?
So
So
when we are, Yeah, when we are executing for a material and bin level, are we going to check all kind of checks? I mean, if we are performing physical inventory counting, we are not going to check what is available, that we are going to check. But whether it is batch managed, serial managed, those things we are not going to check over there, right? But we have to maintain that. Yes, I totally agree. Because when we are posting for which batch or for which serial number the quantity is getting increased or decreased, that has to be identified. So we are maintaining. But here, you are maintaining 3 levels. If you are passing one particular material, you are going for HU level as well as bin level.
Correct.
Is it mandatory?
No. HU level means it is within the bin only, right? See, I said if you are going product specific, wherever the product is there, you have to count that. Correct, no?
Okay, if it is HU managed also, then in HU level also it will show the value. In HU level also we need to manage the value, and in bin level also we need to maintain the value.
Yes.
If one quantity is getting increased in quantity, and in HU also one quantity is getting increased.
No. If it is in HU, okay, here it is showing, no? If it is in HU, it will going to show us, okay, this the quantity is in HU like that. Okay, if you are changing this here, then one quantity will going to change in the HU.
Yeah, that is what I'm asking right now.
Okay.
So if we are changing that in material bin level, see, the quantity can be like 100, 200, 500, 1,000 or 1 lakh also. That could be vary from one project to project, client to client, where we are going to work. Okay.
Correct.
So on that, we have HU also. It is HU managed.
Correct.
We are going to increase from 50 quantity to 100 quantity. So in this case, in HU level also, how much quantity we need to increase? That is what I am trying to think of. Only in one HU, how many products we can map, or how the calculation is getting? That is confusion.
No. See, in one, it is not only about in one HU. Okay. See, one HU is having its own limitations. Correct, no?
Right.
Okay. Let us consider in one HU we can able to put maximum of 10 products. Okay. In the physical also, it will not going to show maximum more than 10 products, right?
Right. Physically, for that particular bin, only 10 is possible. Only
No. Don't consider for the bin. I'm telling about the HU.
Okay.
Okay. Within the HU, 10 materials are possible. I'm telling.
Okay.
In the bin, maybe 1,000 materials can be possible, but within that HU, 10 materials are there. It will not going to show more than that. It will be showing the less only within that HU.
Then we may have to match the HU calculation also together.
Means it is simple, no? If it is the material is in HU, then just enter the material numbers in HU. How many materials are there? If the materials are just storing in the bin, then you just enter that materials in the bin. That's it.
Okay, HU. Okay.
Yeah, HU also will be counting, no, bro. HU पे है तो भी वो छोड़ के नहीं जा रहे ना हम. HU को भी count करना ही पड़ेगा.
Right.
If it is a sealed HU, okay, if it is sealed HU and within that HU 10 products are there, we are just considering them 10 only. We are not changing them. We have tick mark for this. Correct, no? Correct, no? You are getting it now or not?
Yeah.
Okay, simple thing. Now it is happened. Got it, no? Now, any doubts here?
No.
Okay, for I'll going to go for the this is posted now because I have not given any differences. Again, if you are giving the differences, definitely recounting will going to trigger again. Okay.
Each and every time if there is
Yes.
difference, it will trigger. Yes.
And if I am saying only no tolerance, then only it will going to check, or else until and unless you are giving the differences, then it will going to be recounted all the time. Okay. But here also I'm going to give 10. Just check. Okay. Here also it will going to trigger the posting. Okay. Just save it. It will going to automatically post it. See. Any doubts here? So this is how we're going to trigger the things. But why this difference analyzer is not working, I don't know. Let us try one more time. Okay, it should work. Yeah. This one I done many times, okay, but why it is not working? Okay.
Can you try for boat also? Boat.
Boat also you can try, not an issue. This one is there. In quantity it is coming. Okay. The difference we will just post it. That's it. We're not going to change anything here. But when I'm posting it, it is asking, see, clear one difference for the product, like that it is saying. Clear means it is just clearing this, okay? It is not posting at all. I am thinking like that. It not be the same case. You just go back, come to the difference analyzer. Then how the differences will going to come here then? Physical inventory differences is there. Background differences. Okay. Background differences. Wait, no, nothing we're going to do. We'll just post this here. Okay, block. Yeah, here two things are confirmed. That is earlier one. Why this is not happening?
Now click on post, right?
वो क्लियर कर रहा है, वो इस ये लाइन आइटम को क्लियर कर रहा है. That is what क्लियर किया तो भी, but it is creating the various tasks.
अरे नीचे वो करेक्ट और ये क्या है नीचे वाले लाइन आइटम पोस्ट ब्लॉक चेंज करेक्ट
One minute, one
stock
minute.
type है, correct है.
One
Correct
minute.
है.
Will yeah, pardon.
No, यहाँ नीचे correct है और change stock type है.
कुछ
वहाँ
नहीं है
पर
भाई,
stock
एक है.
type को changes करना है क्या?
No. Here we're not going to do anything. Okay. Only thing we are posting it. That is the only thing. Okay. Let us give tolerance group पे change करते हैं. Right. 1 minute. Here I have given tolerance. Okay. Here TG02 I have given. No, let us give TG01 here because difference analyzer पे उतना difference. अरे difference है तो वो tolerance करने का ना वो see whatever the difference is there we have to give this, no, but I am saying no tolerance. Getting the idea? TG02 I have given, so we have to assign TG01, I guess. Okay, let us see now. It should it should post it now, I think. Earlier, okay, just post it. Okay, 3 quantities difference. Okay, say yes. Let us go and check now. Okay, any differences are happened. It shouldn't. Okay, it should trigger the differences. See, again, it is showing the same thing. It is intact.
Try in boat also.
बोर्ड पे फिर पूरा करना पड़ेगा बोर्ड पे.
वही तो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम
पूरा टाइम ले लेगा. इसका मैं चेक करके बोलता हूँ आप लोगों को, कुछ नहीं है. ओके, this one I will definitely work on it and I'll let you know. Okay, why it is not triggering the difference. Okay, so got it? No, this is how we're going to do the physical inventory. Okay, simple thing actually, but ये पता नहीं ये क्या हो गया है. We'll just try to do it. Okay.
एंड वो मल्टीपल टाइम मतलब ये जो करना पड़ रहा है एक एक जाके काउंट करना पड़ रहा है वो मल्टीपल एक्शन एक बार में कुछ हो सकता है ऐसा वाला
क्या काउंटिंग के लिए
हम लोग. हाँ.
Okay, here what we will be doing. Okay, first let us consider one more time. Okay, so this one I am going to take the product here, execute. Okay, I will just select some line items. Oh, sorry, I have to select everything. Unselect this, unselect this. Okay, let us take 2 line items and delete everything. and save this. Okay, I'm creating it for 121 and 131.
131.
Okay, just save it. I'm creating one document. Okay, go back, process 8005, execute. Okay, you select both and say count. Here, we're going to enter the value for both. Okay, transaction successfully executed. See, I will say काउंट कर रहे तो ऑप्शन नहीं दे रहा है ना, सही है बोथ आई थिंक only one we have to do Ajay bhai. Okay, डेटा ऑलरेडी बीन चेंज करके बोल रहे हैं. ओके या डबल क्लिक, ओनली डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस. ओके, काउंट तो ऑलरेडी चेंज हो गए हैं, ओनली डबल क्लिक ऑन दिस, इट विल गोइंग टू कम. सी है, डबल क्लिक करना पड़ेगा बस, ठीक है ना. वो काउंट तो अलग अलग ही करना पड़ेगा मेरे ख्याल से.
काउंट अलग अलग ही करना पड़ेगा.
अलग अलग करके इधर एंटर करना पड़ेगा वट एवर द वैल्यू इट माइट बी. तो यार डिफरेंस एनालाइजर क्यों वर्क नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं चल रहा मेरे को. यार वन इज देयर, here one is this. Okay, I'll just save it. It will going to get post. मतलब post आप एकदम. Okay, warning message issued. Okay, what is the warning message issued? This one document no counting data entered. Counting data enter किया था ना हमने. Okay, for this. ओके दोनों को काउंट करके बाद में पोस्ट करना पड़ेगा था. सी ना, सी आई हैव काउंटेड देम. फॉर दिस एक्चुअली वी हैव नॉट एंटर्ड एनी काउंट. ओके, फॉर दिस एक्चुअली वी हैव नॉट एंटर्ड एनी काउंट. that also it is posted, but it is still it is in the count only. I'll say count, but I don't think it will not going to take now. It is taking. Okay, so now go here. We will going to enter some solvents. Okay, still it will going to take, I think. Okay, I'll just save this. It is also posted. So we once we are counting both the things, then only if you have to click on the save. Okay,
भाई यहाँ क्वांटिटी के पास जीरो काउंट है ना. if we are completely we need to reduce.
हाँ, जीरो करना है तो. Okay, see, one. Okay, zero करना है तो we will going to click on the zero count. Here you cannot enter zero value.
Yes, that's what.
Okay, ये डिफरेंस एनालाइजर क्यों वर्क हो नहीं रहा है पता नहीं चल रहा है यार मेरे को. सॉरी, एक काउंट पे आने वाली. See, for this, no, you can count it here also physical inventory, enter count results, all these things are there, but this difference analyzer I have to work.
No problem.
नहीं ये प्रॉब्लम है ना. प्रॉब्लम है, पता नहीं ये क्यों वर्क नहीं हो रहा है. This is difference analyzer, nothing. Okay, we are just posting the differences, but it should work. No, see, one different it is shown because just now we have taken one difference. If I am posting, it should post actually, but some error. What is this error? यार आपने जो ये बोल रहे हो का correct ये करके. I don't require anything. Okay, if you are changing here anything, nothing is changing. Okay, it is just a display mode only. You can see that. Okay, the mode is changed, but everything is display mode only. You cannot able to do anything here. Okay, only thing is you have to post. That's it. Post is the only option. Refresh it. G01 दिया है मैंने. 1 minute. Difference analyzer. Just go back. Go to the settings here. Difference analyzer. Yes, Shalda. G01 available. it will going to show the moment types. That's what I want to show it to you people. Okay, only the moment types will going to change now. Okay, so उसको दिखाना है, but why it is not coming? In the difference analyzer. See there, recount and all, you can do it by yourself also. Okay, if it is not taking automatically, you can do it by yourself also. Recounting and all you can able to trigger, but I have given the automatic recounting. That's it. Okay, that you can also trigger that. Not an issue. Yeah, difference analyzer you have to go. इधर तो कुछ नहीं था, सिर्फ पोस्ट कर देते हमने, पोस्ट हो जाना चाहिए एक्चुअली. I will just check this and I'll try to do it in the board and I'll come back to you people. वो हो रहा है तो ठीक है, वो तो सिस्टम में गड़बड़ है कुछ. Or else in your case you just try it out. No, it is nothing to deal with some other things. Okay, it is some independent content only. Just do the physical inventory and check it in your case. Definitely it should post. Okay, आप आज ट्राई करके देखो, कल का और आज का. ओके ओके, आई जस्ट से पोस्ट हियर, क्लियर कर रहा है, से यस, बट नथिंग इज चेंजिंग ओवर हियर. Refresh. What I'll do, I'll just log off the system once. Okay, that is the last attempt we can do. And if it is not coming, that is okay. Execute. Still it is showing the same thing. Okay, leave it. Okay, we'll check it and I'll let you know. Okay. Okay then.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you. बहुत देर हो गया.
Thank you.
Okay then. Bye. Take care.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm.